Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a DEWBACK from Star Wars. Now, the DEWBACK were one of those kind of big green lizard-like creatures that the stormtroopers were always riding on in the desert. So, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye, and they have a really tiny eye. So starting right about here, I'm just going to draw a little kind of oval shape for the eye. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves right around there. And then I'm just going to draw a little line kind of right above it. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down, and then it's just going to kind of go out, and then it's just going to curve around to here. Then I'm just going to kind of bring this up and then down. Then I'm going to draw another little kind of broken curved line, just kind of show where the bottom of the lip is going to be. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and that's just going to kind of curve up. I'm just going to kind of curve it around and bring it around here for the jaw. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to kind of curve around like this for the nostril. And then I'm just going to put a little line right above it. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a couple little lines like this, just to kind of show where the head meets the body. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to come down and up and down again. Then I'm just going to draw a couple little kind of curved lines right up here just to kind of show some wrinkles by the face. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down a little bit. And then I want to start on the legs. So I'm going to start up here and draw a line that's just going to kind of go down. Make another line that goes down here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up and then come back. Now I'm going to make another one right there. They have some crazy looking toes. Then I'm going to draw another one that's just going to kind of curve around and come down like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up at an angle, and then it's just going to kind of curve up to here. And then starting down here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that kind of goes up. I'm going to start in here and draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to kind of curve back. It's going to go down just a little bit. And then I'm going to make another foot. So I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves and comes back to here for a toe. Another little curved one there. Then I'm going to make one that kind of curves around here and comes down. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up and over. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves up, and then it's going to run right up to there. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw another line back here, just to show where the other leg would be. And I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm just going to make kind of like one little toe right there. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that curves to here. Then I'm going to start in here and draw a little line that's going to go down, and then it's just going to curve up to here to make the tail. Make another line that goes down and in here. Little line that kind of curves around, and then one right there. So here's our basic drawing of a DEWBACK from Star Wars. Now we need to add some more details in here. So right around the legs here, I'm going to add a few little extra little wrinkly lines just to kind of show where the legs and body are moving. I'm I'm going to give them some really big claws on here. Kind of draw some inside of here too. I want to make a little broken line that kind of runs along the edge of the mouth. Little line's going to kind of curve over to here. A little broken line right around the eye, and a little line up here. A couple little lines over here by the face. And then a couple little curve lines by the mouth. A couple little lines right around there, some little broken ones. Some little lines right over here. Little lines right over there. You can just kind of add some different lines all around the body just for some little details. Add some long broken lines right around the back. A couple little lines right by the eye. Some little lines right along the head. And then just kind of have some fun with it. Kind of add some little details wherever you want them to go. Add a little pupil in there. And then just kind of add some little details all over. Just kind of have some fun with it, kind of play around. And I'm just going to add a couple little broken lines right down the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a DEWBACK from Star Wars. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.